Hold your breath as we embark on a thrilling virtual tour of the ultimate student accommodation in Lincoln, the Sincil Bank LN5. Tucked away in a peaceful and welcoming neighborhood, Sincil Bank LN5 is the perfect haven for students, featuring a charming 4-bedroom house share. Step inside your personal haven and discover a comfortable bed, spacious wardrobes, a dedicated workspace, and a walk-in shower room that redefines convenience. Moreover, the property also boasts a vibrant and spacious living area, perfect for unwinding and connecting, along with a newly equipped and furnished shared kitchen that sets the stage for culinary adventures. Head out of the property's front door and find the University of Lincoln practically at your doorstep, ensuring that you're always on time for your lectures. And when it's time to kick back and explore new culinary delights, you'll find tempting options like the Golden Eagle and KFC within easy reach. Plus, with the Lincoln train station and Central bus stop less than a mile away, your daily commute will be a breeze. Sounds convenient, right? So don't wait any longer. Secure your room at amberstudent.com and begin an exciting new chapter with Sincil Bank LN5 student accommodation.